Alright guys, so we're going to get on Pantheon, and we're actually going to go ahead and do a POV.
Yeah.
So once again, we have to get a card for the, right there at the Welcome Center, at the front of the park, to actually be able to ride the rides, like actually record the rides. And so what they do, they just kind of check your device, give you a card, you show the card to the ride attendant, and you're good to go. So let's go ride. Yeah, I didn't notice that either. So you can get on the move. Yeah.
Scan platform. Platform clear.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Platform clear.
Mascara on me.